สวัสดีค่ะพี่น้องค่ะงานโชว์รถอเมริกันค่ะนี่ค่ะเขาไปขับโชว์ให้พี่น้องเบิ่งที่ถนนค่ะขั้นนี้เขาทยอยเริ่มเข้ามากันแล้วนี่ค่ะทยอยเริ่มเข้ามาแล้วค่ะมื้อนี้เป็นการโชว์มื้อแรกค่ะยังบ่ค่อยหลายคาดว่ามื้ออื่นคนจะมาหลายนี่คือเห็นเป็นคาราวานแล้วก็รถบ้านนะคะคลาสสิกค่ะรถเก่าค่ะนี่ค่ะบรรยากาศชมบรรยากาศรอบๆค่ะหลากหลายค่ะรถสไตล์หลายอย่างหลายขั้นหลายแบบชมวิวงามๆค่ะพี่น้องค่ะเป็นการโชว์รถอเมริกันรถคลาสสิกรถเก่าทุกคนมากมายเลยวิวงามๆค่ะงานโชว์รถค่ะบาร์บีคิวค่ะพี่น้องคะบาร์บีคิวบาร์บีคิวค่ะเนื้อสเต๊กหมู Ooh, nice. Good idea. This.
It's called an ethanol fuel.
Five cup it. Five cup it. Want to take nice video?
Are you finished with that?
Nice video. That's not mucky.
Don't know.
Here, hang on a minute, Duldy.
โอเคสวัสดีค่ะไม่กินเขาอยู่กับเพื่อน
Yeah, got some chips, man.
นี่กินข้าวกันค่ะอาหารเยอะมากเลยบาร์บีคิวค่ะ
Your egg.
My egg I put last
You put it last.
Right. Come on, Dodie, you'll get some bloody food.
This is beautiful.
That's nice barbecue.
Everybody else
one.
pulls the plate,
Yeah.
and then there's Judy with just one item.
Them chips are lovely. Have we done them?
In oil, in nothing. Oh, they're a pound.
Can I have chip?
Is that a
I
pound?
like chip.
I've got some Judy.
You
Thank you.
okay,
They're
yeah?
lovely.
Good.
We'll keep
Absolutely
going back.
lovely. Them.
You put them in the oven or in a pan with oil.
We haven't got an oven.
No.
So you just warm some oil up and put them in there.
I'm do fresh like a boil potato
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, boils them.
for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Soaking with cold water for 10 minutes. For
Yeah.
get hard a bit.
Yeah.
And then after that I come deep fry.
Deep fry then.
Do like a fish and chips they're doing.
Yeah. Oh, could do with some now. I'd have just been boarding and I bought some to put in oven already done.
Yeah, we're English, we want easy.
Well, it's easy, I bought them like that. From Morrison. It's pretty warm with that sun, isn't it?
ข้าวผัดค่ะบอมนาว
There'll be much longer than that, and I'm going to let you sort out because you've done all this.
เนื้อสเต็กค่ะ
They're not far up.
Alan got me a packet.
They are lovely. Them.
But butcher throws. So what you without skin? Well, throw it away.
they're very good save for me
They save it all now for us.
They used to save it for anybody that used to buy it, but for health and safety they stopped doing my mucky patter now
Well,
because it's not healthy.
you can still get mucky fat.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I can do it.
we are good customer they are good seller
I like
look after
real
each other
Yeah, I love Collins Butchers.
We'll go in. You got any belly pork? Yeah. How much you want? All of it.
What is
from my
that?
garden
Yeah, I've seen them. I love them, mate.
sweet juicy
We don't do salad.
good for you
It is good for him.
I can't eat cucumber.
alright
Upsets my stomach.
Oh, that's celery.
Celery, I can't eat it.
lettuce
Lettuce is alright.
มาแซ่บน้ำกันค่ะพี่น้องค่ะ
Oh, fried rice. I'm gonna have to do that. Definitely. Nice water.
So basically, with that fat, when you do cut it up, you put them in that basket, let it dry out,
yeah
Dry it out.
and then in oven. Is that it?
yeah
Yeah, but you treat it first before you dry it out.
if not too dry I'm not too fry again but I'm look first is it okay I just put in oven they will go crispy by themselves
So she's got a knack of just looking at it and knowing whether it's ready or not. I
But
haven't bloody got a clue.
up to
mate.
if you got strong sunshine if not
Yeah.
strong sunshine it's not good for dry and then
No.
you want to fry again หมูมักน้
Spot on.
ำชักหมูค่ะ
So,
Can't buy it in there.
barbecue, Martin.
แซ่บหมู
Judy's
มันแซ่บ
prepared it all. Mine just cooked it. Oh, this is basically Judy.
I just threw it on and turned it over.
teamwork
It is
Teamwork.
teamwork, but
Yeah, I watched up.
no it's okay
we will walk it.
แซ่บค่ะพี่น้องค่ะบาร์บีคิว
Oh, I'm absolutely pog now.
What's that?
กินหลายคนมันแซ่บ
Yeah, that's my solar panel kit. Put in a fair bit in, is that?
Some it.
Yeah.
เกิดเทศจากสวนค่ะ
A what?
Yeah.
อิ่มแล้ว
Then
ค่ะพี่
somebody
น้อง
selling
ค่ะ
double glazing. I'll see that
Maybe
100,000 views. Still has
Yeah.
it. I'll put one in.
Put one in. Ah,
หลาย
right.
คนเลย
Like they do my head in the
ค่ะ
lap.
Yeah.
I'd rather pay them not to put one in.
Yeah.
ขอจบคลิปนี้ไว้ก่อนนะคะพี่น้องค่ะขอบคุณหลาย ๆ ที่มารับชมค่ะ
That was beautiful.
สวั
That
สดี
double.
ค่ะ